Morning, everyone. Today we are going to start here lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is Mainland, Mine Start. Mainland, land means country, and start means state. Right? This is lesson number 4. In this lesson, you will learn about that how you can address about your country, address about your state, and as well as you will learn the direction in German. So it is very important and interesting. Just concentrate and okay, come on the page number 40. Here is the conversation. Just read properly and listen whatever I'm reading. Ich heiße Ted Hahn means I call Ted Hahn or my name is Ted Hahn. Ich komme aus Deutschland. I come from Germany. Ich spreche Deutsch. I speak German. Deutschland ist ein Land. Germany is a country. Deutschland ist ein Land. Germany is a country. Deutschland ist mein Land. Germany is my country. Deutschland liegt in Europa. Liegen is a verb. Liegen. Liegen is a verb which means located or situated. So Germany located in Europe. Deutschland liegt in Central Europa. Germany located in Central Europe. Europa ist ein Kontinent. Europe is a continent. The Hauptstadt von Deutschland ist Berlin. The Hauptstadt means capital city of the country, right? So the Hauptstadt von Deutschland ist Berlin. The capital city of the Germany is Berlin. Deutschland hat 16 Staaten. Germany has 16 states. Deutschland hat 9 Nachbarn. Germany has 9 neighboring country. The Nachbarländer heißen, the neighboring countries called Denmark, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Frankreich, the Swiss, Austria, Tschechische Republic und Poland. So Denmark is a Denmark, Netherlands, Belgium is Belgium, Luxembourg is Luxembourg, Frankreich, France, the Swiss, Austria, Tschechische Republic, Czech Republic, and Poland is Poland. After this one, there is the direction, name of the direction like North, South, West, Ost, right? So Ost, West, North, South. Ost means east, West means west, North means north, South means south. New Delhi liegt in North Indian. New Delhi is located in North India. Berlin liegt in Ostdeutschland. Ostdeutschland means East Germany. Hamburg liegt in Norddeutschland. Hamburg located in North Germany. Mumbai liegt in West Indian. Mumbai is located in West India. Bonn liegt in West Deutschland. Bonn located in West Germany. And München liegt in South Deutschland, and München located in South Germany. So whatever we have used here, the personal pronoun, that is sie as liegt. After this one, if you will turn your page, so here you will get one exercise where you will get one map of Germany and you have to fill the name of the country. If it is possible, if you are familiar from the map of Germany, so easily you can do it. Not to worry about that. Just turn the page, come on the page number 42. It is here. So what you are going to learn here you will learn that how you will address someone as per the name of their country, as per their name of the country, right? So ich bin Deutscher und du. I am German and you. So nation und Nationalität, country and nationality. So there is one chart of the nation, nationalität, and Sprache. Sprache means a language. So as earlier we have discussed this one, like if you are the German and you are masculine, so how you will address yourself that you are German, and if you are feminine, so how you will address yourself that you are German and feminine, and as well as if you have to say that your language, so how you will say the language as per the name of the country, right? So England, Englander, Englanderin, and then name of the language is English. Frankreich means France, and if you are a masculine and you have to say that I'm French guy, so you will say it's been Francois. And if you're feminine and you have to say that I'm French, so you will say it's been Francois, and language is Franzosisch. So it is very important chart. You have to memorize this one. Only then you can do the exercise whatever you will get after this one. And if you come on the next page, so here you will get one conversation about the country, like Mainland. Yuki is there. Yuki, Christina. Yuki and Christina is there. Yuki is saying, "Hallo, ich heiße Yuki. Japan ist mein Land. Hello, I call Yuki. Japan is my country. Ich bin Japaner und spreche Spanish." Sorry. Yuki is saying, "Hallo, ich heiße Yuki. Hello, I call Yuki. Japan ist mein Land. Japan is my country. Ich bin Japaner und spreche Japanisch. I am a Japanese and I speak Japanese. Und wie ist dein Name? And how is your name, or what is your name?" Then Christiana is saying, "Mein Name ist Christiana. My name is Christiana. Mein Land heißt Amerika und ich spreche English. My country name is America and I speak English." Then Yuki is saying, "Wie heißt Ihr Land? How to call your country?" Frau Anna, Lady Anna. Frau Anna, Lady Anna. Then Frau Anna is saying, "Ich bin Franzosin. I am a French. Mein Land ist Frankreich. My country name is France. Und ich spreche Französisch and I speak French." Then Christina is saying, "Liegt Frankreich bei Deutschland? Located France nearby Germany?" Then Frau Anna is saying, "Ja, richtig. Frankreich und Deutschland liegt in Europa." Yes, correct. Germany and French is located in Europe only. What possessive pronoun we have used here? That is in a yellow bracket. And what preposition we have used here? That is in the green bracket. So I don't think that if you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, so just directly you can write me in messages, and after this one you will get the exercise. These exercise I will send you in the emails, and you have to just do it by your own. For example, I'm telling you the exercise number 3. Was passt zusammen. So Turkin is a language, and just you have to write the name of the country. So the Turkey is the name of the country, right? So like that you have to do. It is very easy. Thank you.